Hello and welcome to my channel. You may notice some of your brushes, maybe for school mode, disappeared here since they changed all of this interface. So even if you import some brushes on your scene, as you can see, you don't have them, but you already abandoned them. You need to go to this display mode option, Blender file, and here inside brushes, you need to select your brushes. Those are my brushes, by the way. So once you select them, right click and mark as asset. And as you can see now, we can use our brushes. So if you want to have your brushes always in your scene, because if you create a new Blender file, for example, this is a new Blender file, then you go to sculpt mode, you don't have those brushes again. And if you go to the Blender file brushes, they are not here. For that, you need to first append your assets, all of those brushes. Once you append them, go again to brushes. Remember, Blender file and here brushes. Select them again, okay, and right click, mark as asset. Now when you have them here, you can save the project, and every time you open exactly this project, you will have your assets saved and all of those brushes in there. But if you create a new file, all of those will disappear. So to fix it, you need to go to File, Defaults, and Save a Startup File. So every time you open your Blender project, you will have exactly this scene and with all of your assets already loaded. But of course, make this setup using only the default cube here or nothing in the scene. Don't do this with your sculpture project or something else. And now as you can see, if I create a new file, I have all of my brushes loaded, even some of them I already had before. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. I really hope it helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.